Hi everyone, Chef Nicky here. Thanks for stopping by today to hear my review on this Cuisine Sink 2-burner ceramic cooktop unit. Now, this runs on 110 electric. It can be installed in your countertop if you want to cut a hole and put it in your countertop so you have two ceramic top burners in your countertop. It comes with all the clips that you need. And the way I have it, I put these legs on it that it comes with, and you can use it as an independent unit on your countertop. You can use it outside. You can use it camping. What's funny is I think about when I was a kid, my grandparents, so I go to my grandma's house on Christmas Eve, and they cook bacala, which is this salted codfish, and they'd be cooking it all day, and then cooking squid sauce, and the house just, it smelled like fish. And then we'd go to midnight mass on Christmas Eve, and I'm sure we probably smelled like fish. But if they could have taken this burner outside and just cooked the fish outside, maybe that'd be a help. And I know I have some Filipino friends, and they have what they call a dirty kitchen where they cook outside. This would be perfect for that. Or if you're at the racetrack, because a lot of times the wind comes and it's blowing your flame around, but this, it's the pan is touching the burner and it's keeping the heat, so the wind isn't going to affect it like it would a flame. You have to use you have to use flat bottom pans, but you can use stainless steel. You can use cast iron skillets. Just make sure they're flat on the bottom so it's touching the ceramic and it gets hot. Let me show you how this thing works. It's got a number of buttons over here, and it's got a little touch screen. So that you just kind of rub your finger across and it works. So there's two burners, and each burner, like this burner on the right here, it's got a little circle here, and it shows you it's this one. That's the back one. You touch the little cross, and then you run your finger up and down wherever you want it to be. Oh, you want to run it to 9? Okay, you make it as hot as it would be. Maybe the back burner, you want to run it to 8. Okay, there you can put it on 8. Or, oh, I want it on 9. Okay, now it's on 9. Wonderful. They work pretty fast. They're not as fast as some commercial kitchens and some other burners that I've used, but they're pretty fast. This is 800 watts, and this is 1200 watts, so it's perfect for your house. Or think about if you're doing a catering, or you need to cook something in a separate room. This is pretty cool. So on here, it's got a timer. And the timer you set by pushing the timer button, and then you push, like, you want, let's say 36 minutes. So you hit 36, it's flashing. When it's done, it sets it for 36 minutes. And then it'll shut off. Now, it's got this locking feature. If you hold your finger down on the lock button, and you hold it down for about, 3 seconds, then anything that you touch isn't going to work like that until you unlock it. So you can unlock it over here. You hold your finger down for a few seconds and it unlocks it. And now you can go back to using the burner the way you would. There is a pause button. Let's say that you want to walk away and you just want it to stop cooking. Now, if you do walk away, there is water overflow protection built into this unit. But let's say you want to walk away, okay? You hit the pause button, and it shuts it off. You hit the pause button, and it comes back on. And you can see how fast the burner comes back on when I turn it on. Now, it's not always red 100% of the time when you have this thing on. It depends how fast or on the temperature, and just it somehow figures out when to turn the red on and when to turn it off. So it's not always on. So if it's not always on, don't think that's an issue. And then over here's the on-off switch. So another nice feature is when the burners are off and they're still hot, it will flash H. So I hope this review helped you make a decision, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy.